We were invited by the Radisson Collection Santa Sofia to take part in the Global Art Series. My first impression of the hotel was that it's a really rich and maximalist interior full of design. We produced this artwork by pressing hundreds of stems of flowers, and it was quite an interesting process because we pressed the flowers and then we didn't see them again until we opened the pressing boards up to create the tiles for the ceiling. We wanted the installation to feel native to Milan, and so we also took some inspiration from fresco and also different fabric and textile patterns that we saw around the hotel, and also we understood as part of the rich tapestry of Milanese craft. It was an interesting challenge to work out where botanicals will fit tastefully in such a beautifully designed and finished interior. It's so exciting to work with the Radisson Collection because they have such an amazing list of locations and so much inspiration to be found.